Hello guys and welcome to another grammar lesson. Remember that we're covering basic English grammar for English learners to help you get a hang of the basics of grammar. Today we're looking at adverbs. Now in previous lessons I've looked at adjectives, nouns, pronouns, but today we're going the way of adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies. Now, to modify means to add meaning. An adverb adds meaning to a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. And one of the most important things about adverbs is that they tell us the how, the when, the why, the how often something happens in a sentence. Types of adverbs. We have adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and so on and so forth. So what I'm promising, yes, is that I'm going to take them one after the other in the coming lessons so that I'll be able to break them down for you. What is the general rule for forming adverbs? Now this is general and very simple. I have this word quick, and quick is an adjective. It's describing a noun, right? But then we want to change this adjective to an adverb. We simply add the suffix ly, like so. So quick changes to quickly, and then it becomes an adverb. So it changes from an adjective to an adverb. Another example we can have is the word happy. Happy, this word is an adjective, but then let's change it to an adverb. Have happily. So instead of having like ly, which does not like make sense at all, so what we'll do is just to remove the y and then add ily. Now let's look at the placement, the correct placement of adverbs in a sentence. There are many placements in many instances, but today let's just look at this. Usually, adverbs are placed after the main verb or object. For example, she speaks clearly. So this adverb clearly gives meaning to how she speaks. We can have another sentence like, he danced timidly. So he danced timidly means he was shy when he danced. So this is the placement. We have the main verb, which is danced, and then we have the adverb after the main verb. Now, one common mistake that English learners make is to use an adjective instead of using an adverb in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, she sings beautiful. Now, this word beautiful is an adjective and absolutely does not suit this sentence. So what you have to do is to change it by using the simple rule of adding ly to the end of the word beautiful to make it an adverb, and therefore it becomes grammatically correct. So we have she sings beautifully. I forgot to dot my I's. She sings beautifully instead of saying she sings beautiful. Adverbs are used in a sentence to give more information about actions. So I hope you had an awesome lesson today. I will see you in the next class. Bye guys.